Here, where you at? Let me see if I got a prize I can give away. Oh, look at there. Oh, look what I just found. I've got a special State Farm shake prize to give away. But I need dancers under 13 and under on this red carpet with me right here. Let me see. 13 and under. Who's ready? Is she in the contest too? Is she in it too? She is? Hold her up high. Hold her up high so everybody can see her. Hold her up. There you go. I think she's in the contest. All right. Who's all in the contest? She's in the contest too? Hold her up too. Hold her up too. Hold her up. All right. There you go. There she is. There she is. Alright, who's all in the contest? If you're in the contest, hands up, hands up, hands up. Alright, where's the photographer? Let me make sure she's getting me. Alright, okay, alright, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start Robert press play on this song. We're gonna go T-Swift. Make it easy on everyone, alright? And here's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna start playing some music. I'm gonna pick 13 and under. I'm gonna pick who's our best dancer.
Hi, Layla. I remember you.
This today. Anybody else want
Or
this?
Leela. Is it Leela? Or
Yes.
I guess that makes more sense than Layla.
Alright, we're gonna have some fun, a whole lot of fun. Little T-Swift, alright? We're gonna shake it off a little bit, just see what you know, alright? Let's go to it. Alright, I think I have my finalists, guys. I think I have my finalists. The one who was carrying pink out, make some noise for her. Come on, make some noise for her. And the one right here in the black shirt who thought it was a music video. She was like,